The new Arrol Johnston Limited factory, Underwood Road, Paisley. When Arrol Johnston's first factory in Camlachie in the East End of Glasgow was destroyed by fire in 1901, one of the company's shareholders, Archibald Coates, offered one of his own redundant thread mills in Paisley as new premises. Built in 1790 and rebuilt in 1860, the factory was off Underwood Road, between the railway and the steep hill with the Coates Observatory on the top. Today there is little evidence left except a piece of brick retaining wall behind a small modern housing estate. When Dorothy's father, Thomas Pullinger, arrived to take over as managing director in 1908, the factory was not making money and was old-fashioned by any standards. Sir William Beardmore was reluctant to invest further in what for him was a minor subsidiary, and Thomas Pullinger found he would need to find the money for the first week's wages by getting the workers to clear scrap metal out of the pond next to the factory. This old, rather gloomy-looking factory is where Dorothy began her training as an engineer, mainly in the drawing office, in 1910. Arrol Johnston's car production was by the traditional hand-built methods, which Thomas attempted to modernise a bit by reducing the range of cars on offer, but he admired Henry Ford's methods, and the building was not really suited to production line working. It cannot have been a very glamorous start to Dorothy's training, even though she was under her father's patronage. In 1913, the company moved to purpose-built premises at Heath Hall near Dumfries.